4. Quadratic equations. Class 10. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Derivation. Consider about a quadratic equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Dividing both sides by a. X squared plus bx by a plus c by a equals 0. Now adding both sides by b squared by 4a squared. X squared plus bx by a plus b squared by 4a squared plus c by a equals b squared by 4a squared. Or x plus b by 2a squared plus c by a equals b squared by 4a squared. Or x plus b by 2a squared equals b squared by 4a squared minus c by a. Or x plus b 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac by 4a squared. Or x plus b by 2a equals plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Or x equals minus b by 2a plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. X equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This is required solution of x. For more visit the site anandprajapati.blogspot.com. Thanks to watch.